Long lines wrapped around the Supreme Court and protesters rallied on the steps. They urged the court to act on creating fair congressional maps.
We the people have the power.
It's a crime.
They were joined by former California Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger. He demanded the court terminate gerrymandering districts.
It is a national scandal of what's going on with the gerrymandering and the way our politicians draw the district lines.
Justices heard arguments on if states violate the First Amendment when they redraw congressional districts. The case stems from a group of Republican voters in Maryland who say Democrats violated their rights to representation in Congress after the 2011 redistricting.
We heard two cases here today, in one case in North Carolina where the Republicans were gerrymandering, and in our case in Maryland where the Democrats were gerrymandering. In both cases, it's wrong.
Republican Governor Larry Hogan of Maryland supports Republican voters in this case, and he argues redistricting should be taken out of the hands of politicians.
Voters overwhelmingly, some 80% of the people in our state, want to take this decision away from the politicians and give it to a nonpartisan redistricting commission.
But inside the court, justices wrestled with how to best handle this problem. Justice Gorsuch asked why the Supreme Court should decide the case instead of leaving it to the states. The court will make a decision on the case in June. In Washington, Morgan Wright, 9 on your side.